Preston's out of his bed. He's already packed up his truck. He's leaving us, going back to Nash Vegas. Starting it off right, Mama. Getting our energy up. This video is part of our 2023 fall break, where we visited 3 different state parks north of Knoxville, Tennessee, and we did 3 other popular touristy attractions in the area.
Jonathan, you're looking good. Jonathan just got an awesome face paint job. What do you think?
I like turtles.
All right, you're great, Zombie. And good times here at the water.
Little turtle outside right outside our campsite. Got the bikes ready. We're gonna go for a little bike ride. Then we're gonna kayak on the lake. And then Grandpa and the little boy, after he had pooped out from the owl, went back home. And I read her a good story. Did you like your story?
No, it had bad words in it.
Oh.
The owl was eating people and then pooping them out.
I thought it was a great story. What was it called? Owl Moon. Dino's version of Owl Moon.
It's not for children.
Go down to this observation deck. I'm going in, Mom. I'm going in the water. Crane. He's on the prowl.
You got something. You think you got a fish?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Yep. I don't know if he got it.
You did a great effort, though. The technique was flawless.
Let's go up to the top of this tower. He's just cruising around out there. We just went down the handy dandy kayak launch, which is nice. We've never been down one of those before, have we?
No, it's really nice.
Now we're gonna get out on the lake. It's a little windy. It's gonna be hard paddling. The seas were angry that day. All right, there's a blue heron right behind Emily over there. It's a big lake. It's 210 acres. Kind of on there's a busy road that runs through it, but it kind of snakes around. Got the mountains in the background. It's great for kayaking. It's probably the best lake we've been on for kayaking because there's no stumps in the way and there's no other boats out here. It's all, you can have a trolling motor on a boat if you bring it yourself. Otherwise it's just paddles. So the only people out here are people fishing on kayaks and in rowboats with paddles, which is good. We came all the way from the campground around up to the big lake. So this is the big part of the lake and we're right next to the road, so it's kind of loud. I'll time lapse on the way home. All right, we're all done. We're gonna take out right there. That's where we put in. And then our campground is down there. And you can see our camper. It's the white one to the left. So you can see it, the little mallard right there on the waterfront. It's a great view in the morning right up through here. And back here off the road, it's like way quieter. There's something going on over there, but like all the way back, totally quiet. There's nothing in the water, so it's a great little paddling lake. So if you like to paddle on a lake, come here. I think it's probably the best lake we've been on in Tennessee. Emily is so excited. Look at this. It's like a sea of steak-eating brethren. We've been fighting for a parking space for the last 10 minutes. I thought we were going to have to go hand to hand. People love Texas Roadhouse. I've never eaten here.
I'm glad you got on the wait list when you did.
Yep, we've only got 2 more hours to wait. Bunch of geese out there. Fall is here.